I had a brethren that I grew up with. We were like brothers, inseparable since we were youths. He had a family and ting, and I was always single. Didn't find a girl that could lock me down. My brethren get a roast, like a gig to secure a big popular community in Portmore, Jamaica when it was building. So naturally he invited his best man on the work with him. He has a wife that was a nice girl, but my brethren was the type of man that still did him ting a road. I knew many of him side tinged them as well. His wife was a beautiful woman. She had a nice clean body and a loyalty that was beyond measure. I respected her a lot, you can say. One night they had been arguing and he left, so she called me thinking that he was with me. Truth was, he was with one of his other women. She was hysterical, so I went to calm her down. That's when it started. We started having sex. It consumes us. The love became so strong between us that our feelings became harder and harder to hide. My best friend was suspicious, but we didn't know. We still did our thing, sneaking and meeting up at hotels, etc. I told her that she was the only woman that I ever fell in deep love with, and I wanted her to leave him. I told her that I could be a way better man to her. One day me and my brethren was at the site as usual, working and overseeing things. By the end of the day, when it was time to secure the site and everyone was leaving, only my friend left. I was nowhere to be found. Nobody saw me leave the site. My bike was still there. I never returned or contacted my family again. His wife never saw or heard from me again. My bike was there until he moved it. It's like I disappeared into thin air. At around that time, a particular set of foundations were about to be filled in. Word on the street is that my best friend killed me that day for messing with his wife. It is whispered that he buried me in a shallow grave at a spot that was later filled in as the foundation of one of the houses in that community, covering my body forever.